Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a slice of watermelon. Create a huge triangle. Make a curvy line to join both ends at the bottom. Make two curvy parallel lines at the base. This is the hard watermelon peel. Now make many drop-shaped seeds as found inside of a watermelon. Color. The juicy fruit is red. Watermelon peels are green at the base. Keep some white space as seen on the hard peel. With black seeds, which can be kept aside while eating. Watermelon is composed of 92% water and is a great way to stay hydrated. Share this watermelon art with friends and family. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.